Aloha friends, I hope you're all doing really well. Today we got this box from Zero Waste Swaps. I'm really excited. So I just want to be less wasteful, and this is going to help me. So this is just a little kit that this company put together of zero waste items, and the packaging is super cute. It's just little things like this is a dish sponge. Open it and see what it looks like. So this is biodegradable, just like a little sponge. And it looks just like a regular sponge too. Completely compostable. So it's packaging. It's great. Love this. Love this. Then we have some 100% biodegradable cotton buds. I'll show you what them look like. I'll show you what they look like. I don't want to get them dirty, so they're just like wooden sticks and cotton. Let's see. So there was two little dish sponge, cotton buds, this cute little to-go utensil thing. I'm sorry, I love all of this stuff. I've been wanting to go zero waste for many, many years, and I've collected these things from thrift stores and stuff like that, but sometimes it's okay to go and buy things for yourself. Ooh, I like this. Look at this scrubber. It has like some fibers on it instead of the plastic stuff. This is so cool. And then it's a cool bamboo straw. This little cleaner thing for it. Wow, I am 100% happy with this this box. I'm not really a big fan of like labels, but this is a cute little logo, just a little leaf. It has a knife, a spoon, a fork, and a straw. So all these things go in here. And there you go. And can't forget, starting your zero waste journey, biodegradable toothbrush.